हाय अन्ना,
हाय हाय।
धुरंधर मूवी देख लिया आपने?
हाँ देख लिया, सब अच्छा है।
मूवी कैसी है?
अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है।
आपको क्या क्या अच्छा लगा? एक्शन,
एक्शन, वीडियो,
स्टोरी अच्छा है?
बहुत अच्छा है।
क्या सबको देखना चाहिए?
सब देखना भाई, अच्छा है, अच्छा है।
ओके, कितना?
9.6 रिव्यू देता हूँ।
We have reached at Alu Cinemas in Kukapet. Ladies and gentlemen, you are not still ready for this. Hi guys, we came to watch Dhurandhar movie, The Revenge. We are really excited to watch the movie. Dhurandhar movie has a lot of hype, so we also went to watch the movie. Hi Akash.
Yes,
धुरंधर मूवी देखने के लिए एक्साइटेड है?
yes, I am excited to watching Dhurandhar movie.
हाउ मच, कितना एक्साइटेड है बता सकता है आप?
110% excited.
ओके।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, नया एक्सपीरियंस, नया मॉल।
और यहाँ पे सिनेमास मॉल कैसा है?
अच्छा है, फर्स्ट टाइम एंटर कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा पूरा लग्जरी है।
लग्जरी जैसा लग रहा है ना?
ऐसा लग रहा है।
मॉल का वॉशरूम बहुत क्लीन है, लेकिन मुझे और क्लीन करना था, इसीलिए मैंने जाके खुद से क्लीन किया।
अच्छे से करो, पेमेंट नहीं दूंगा, लेकिन आना दम दो, उसको गाली दो, अच्छे से करो, बोलो।
Before the movie got started, we took pictures. Movie is about to start. All the people are really excited to watch Dhurandhar 2. Movie interval. The movie is good so far. Hi bro.
Hi.
How is the Dhurandhar movie so far?
It's amazing. It has a lot of cliffhangers, but I love it. It's absolutely cinema till now.
Do you like the story till now?
Yeah, 100%.
And how is the action?
It's amazing.
Do you like Ranveer Singh?
Yep.
Okay. So thank you for sharing, bro.
The movie was really fun, thrilled, action-packed, and very climatic. It was a really good movie. I would suggest all of you to go watch it.
How many star you will give?
Five out of
5 out of
5.
5.
10 out of
Okay.
10.
Okay. So thank you for sharing the movie review. What's
Yes.
your name, bro?
Arman.
Arman. So
Yes.
nice to meet you, Arman. Have you watched the Dhurandhar movie?
Yeah, I just watched it.
Okay. How was the movie?
Movie was good. Really enjoyed it throughout the show, and like it was constantly we were watching it. It didn't even leave the movie for a second. We were constantly watching it. It was very entertaining, very engaging.
Okay. Did you like the story?
Yes, very much.
And
Very
how-
engaging, as I said.
How was the action?
Action, honestly, I don't have much knowledge of what is a good action or what is a bad action. Whatever action was, it was very impressive.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And do you like Ranveer Singh?
Yeah, definitely a great actor.
Okay. So how many star you will give to the movie?
For me, I'll give 5.
5 out of 5?
Yeah, 5 out of 5.
Okay. Thank you for giving the movie review.
So, thank you.